You use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, you search for fun, and you search and prove your friends wrong. But did you know that you can use this to make big money online? Yes, there is a website that pays you to use Google. You can use it in your phone, your laptop or computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can do it from your bed, you can do it in the beach, and you can do it right in your home. You can do it literally anywhere you want as long as you have access to the internet. If you watch this video until the end, I will explain to you step by step how to do this so you can start making money right now. But before we start, make sure to drop a like, leave a thumbs up and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new make money online strategies. And with that being said, let's begin. Okay, as always, I will explain to you each and every step and I want you to follow along with me. So the first step for you is just to open up Google and leave it like that. Okay, so the main website you will be using combined with Google so we can make money by searching on Google is going to be this website. But you must keep watching because if you just go over straight to the site and you try to figure out on your own, you will not know what to do because I am going to show you the simple Google trick that will actually allow you to get paid as a lot of money with this website. So I am going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google. And I am also going to explain to you exactly how this works. And if you follow each and every step during this video, by the end of it, you will be ready to make money. As I said, as you can see, the site has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, so you know it's worth it. Like they have been working with Basti, Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, and much more. As you can see, all of these are some of the biggest companies in the world. And take a look at how much money there is to be made with one simple search. It can be $600, $800, $8,000 and so on and so forth. There is a lot of money to be made here. Now you will just need to sign up to this website called mysumo.com. And how you do that? Well, you click here, log in. So click on login, sign up. Since you don't have an account yet, click on I don't have an account yet. You can sign up for free. Just enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your country, email address, create a unique password right here and select your birthday, gender. And then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill area. So you will need to select creativity skills, marketing skills and technical skills. Now this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average professionality or above average regardless of what your skills actually are, because this is going to give you a high chance of making more money. So I will select average professional, and once again average professional. After filling out this personal info, now there are going to be questions like why are you interested in using MindSumo? And what type of project are you most interested in solving? Now we just answer questions like this one. The first question, because it is better to train your mind by searching something or just answering something by searching it on somewhere. And the other question here is like you're interested in many things, as that prove that you can answer many of the questions where you can get paid right here. Now you don't have to take these 3 boxes because that's gonna sign you up to their email list, and that's absolutely not what you want. You don't want to spam emails or whatsoever, so you will just need to take these 3 boxes, accept their terms and condition and their privacy policy. You can read by clicking on these links, and this one, which is to avoid figuring on your work, which then after that just click on I am not a robot, complete the challenge, which in this case is like the card, and just click on sign up and you have an account in mindsumo.com. Now once you log into your account and you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna be able to see all of these different challenges or questions and projects which you can answer and get paid for doing. you can see there is paying from a couple of hundreds of dollars all the way up to thousands. And basically here on the left hand side you are gonna be able to see different categories which you can select. So there is definitely gonna be no shortage of money to be made on this website, since there are a new question, a new project, and new challenge coming in every single day. Let me show you some past projects. Like if I open up, for example, this one over here, you are gonna be able to see how much money people have been making. From this challenge alone, you can see the total budget was 10,000 for the top, and there were 10 top answers, and those top 10 answers are splitting their revenue. As you can see, they are all getting $1,000 each. So if you are in the top 5, you are definitely gonna be able to make that $1,000. In this case, sometimes it's gonna be a lot more than that, but stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search Google. Anyway, I want to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then just select any of these projects you like and you will enter that project. So you can see they are going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win a share of $600. So what's that? Google trick will, here is what you do. You will need to copy this question right here. Copy that, go over to Google and paste the question right here, so we can find an answer here on Google. You can go through all these articles. For example, open up this one and try to find if there is an answer to our question. So once again, their question was, how can an artificial intelligence technology help us? Right, and you can see this is exactly what we are looking for. So they are giving examples of how that could look like. So this is really professionally answered. It will most likely be in one of the top shares on here, and you saw how easy that was. All I did was I just copied this. I went over to Google, I searched for that question, and I have an answer right here. The next thing I need to do is to add the answer a little bit. So how did you do that? I went back to Google. I searched for Google Docs. So make sure to search for Google Docs and open on this website, docs.google.com. This is their official website. Now click on blank right here, click that and go back to the article, and then you can copy and paste some of the answers. Paste it right here, go back, copy another one. So the longer the answer is, the better for you to increase the chance of you making more money. If your answer is more profound, the better. And now you can, of course, add this. You can change the font, you can change the color, maybe change some words. Like for example, instead of this, I can just select it. I can change it to blue and maybe change it to bold at that part or something like that. So you can see it's fully customizable and it's really easy. Just search for the answer on Google, edit it on Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File, go to Download and download as a PDF document. When you open up that document, it's gonna look like something like this. As you can see, have it on your computer. You will just come back here and submit the answer, and you will most likely get a share, or in this case $600. Now bear in mind, you will not win a full $600. You will need to share that with the other participants. But as you can see, it was pretty easy, and it took less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google. Just by searching, I found the answer in less than 5 minutes, and now I have a chance to win anywhere from like $20 or $30, $50 maybe, even 100 or 200 for free. Now this process was actually completed. You can see it's done. So I will need to find something that's actually open it and then submit my answer. For example, this one, only thing I need to do again is just search in Google for the answer, find the answer, and once we find the answer, we just need to click on and I have an idea to log into my account and my email address and my password and just submit the answer.